Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to fix a chicken dish. And what I'm going to fix is pulled chicken. Let me show you right here. I cleaned out one of my freezers yesterday, and I had 4 packs of breast in aluminum foil that I needed to get out and use. And so what I've done is I'm going to make 2 or 3 meals with this chicken. But the first one that I'm going to make is the pulled chicken. So what I'm going to do is I've got 1 jar or whatever of this Kraft hickory smoked barbecue sauce. And I'm going to cook this in my crock pot. So slow cook or crock pot, whichever one you want to say. And I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to get Regina to put a little bit of water in here to make sure all of this is out of here. And then I'm going to put some just regular ketchup, because it's not enough barbecue, so I'm going to put regular ketchup in here. And I'm going to put some brown sugar, about half a cup of brown sugar in here. Alright. And I like the barbecue sauce that has vinegar in it. So the barbecue that has vinegar in it. So I'm going to put, I can't remember whether it's North Carolina or South Carolina, one of those barbecues. So I'm going to put about half a cup of vinegar in here too. This is apple cider vinegar. Alright, I'm going to stir this up really well. It still doesn't look like it's going to be enough, but it might be. I'll just have to. Might be. Nah, it's. I was going to say it might be too much vinegar, but I don't think so. I smell the hickory barbecue sauce too. Alright, now I'm going to put. I'm not sure how many. God, these chicken breasts are huge. Alright, this one is not. This one is a little one. This one is just absolutely huge. Alright, the baby upstairs is crying really loud. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but not my baby. My granddaughter won't be here for another month. Alright. Whoa. Try to get this off. Okay, so I'm not sure if that's enough or not. Wow. Alright, I'm going to put 1 more breast in. And that should be enough for this. Let me see if I can get you closer. And I'm cooking this in the crock pot, but I'm doing it in the kitchen on the stove because I've got other things that I'm going to cook in here. So I'm going to put this on low. No, I'm going to start it off at high. I'm going to cook it on high for 2 hours and then cut it down to low, and it'll be ready by the time we're ready to eat dinner. So I will bring you back when this gets ready. Let me make sure you can see in here. Alright, so I've got all the chicken in there. I didn't even count. I think it's like 4, but they're different size breasts. So, but anyway, this is going to cook now, and I'll bring you back when it gets ready. Okay, I'm back. Now this is on the barbecue chicken. It's been cooked. Oh gosh, it's been cooking in the slow cooker, crock pot, whatever. Wow. And now I've got to pull it apart, but looks like it might be just falling apart. Wow. A little bit too runny, but I think it still will be fine. I'll just, after I fix the barbecues tonight, I'll just drain some of the sauce off of it. Wow. I can't wait to taste this. So you just take your fork and pull it apart. And just take it and go look, like this, just like this. Just keep doing that until you don't feel any more lumps or whatever in here. Alright, so I'm going to finish this and I'll bring you back when we get ready to eat. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I've just made a quick barbecue, because we're going to eat this tomorrow night for dinner, because it ended up being late. My other daughter came over and brought my grandchildren, and so we've been sitting here talking, and they'd already eaten. So anyway, we're going to eat this tomorrow night for dinner, and I'm going to make coleslaw, and I've got my recipe for coleslaw is on my channel if you'd like to check that out. But I do want to taste this and see what it tastes like. I can't wait. Oh gosh, it's messy, messy, messy. Oh wow, that is really good. Wow, it is falling apart on my butt. Wow. I, that is really good. That barbecue sauce, doctoring it up like that. So you can see this was really an easy thing. And you know, I'm pretty partial to beef barbecue, but this chicken barbecue is really good. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and look below to different things that you can purchase on Amazon. Also, there'll be a link to my Facebook, my Twitter, and Zaycon Farm Fresh Meats. And I hope you have a good day. Bye.